Hey y'all, I want to share the newest product that I picked up by the Pioneer Woman. It is a scrubbing brush. Now, we don't put much thought into our scrubbing brushes, but I want to really take the time to show you in a quick video how well it gets up underneath the handle. Do you know most germs today are caused by the handles of our pots and pans? They're not washed as good as they should be if you wash by hand. Even maybe by the dishwasher. But look, it gets in there really good. You flip it over. Now watch this. It gets right in there. Look at that. See how the bristles get right in there and clean around the rim? And that's where all your leftover juices from your meat can get up in there and cause bacteria. So you want to really scrub your pan around the lid like this. Okay? And then for the pan itself, no matter what pan it is, get some sudsy water. And look, it scrubs it really, really well. Okay, your hand's not even in the water. See? And it gets around the wall of the pan. Look at that. Look at that. And then scrub that handle. I strongly recommend this Pioneer Woman scrubbing brush from the store. And make sure you scrub the back of the pan as well. Alright? Don't forget to like and share. I hope this helps. Keep your family safe. Look at that. I love my Pioneer Woman frying pan. Just love it.